Welcome everyone, and thank you for joining this course on enhancing mobile user experience. As we all know, mobile usage has completely transformed how people consume content online. Smartphones have become the primary internet device for many users. This seismic shift means we must rethink how we design websites and applications to cater to the mobile context first. Unfortunately, many businesses are still not optimizing their online presences for mobile, resulting in poor user experiences like slow load times, cramped layouts, and cut-off content. This leads to high abandonment rates, which can seriously damage revenue and growth. In this course, we'll delve into the do's and don'ts of creating frictionless mobile experiences. We'll start by examining frameworks like responsive design and progressive web apps that form the foundation for fully adaptive experiences. I'll demonstrate how to implement responsive grids, images, and other components to make sure your site looks great on any device screen. A major focus will be on content design and optimization. We'll learn strategies for crafting copy, menus, forms, and other page elements specifically for quick mobile consumption. You'll also gain insights into internal linking, navigation patterns, and overall information architecture to streamline the on-site journey via mobile. Other topics include technical optimizations like responsive images, service workers, and performance tools. We'll analyze real-world examples of brands that saw success through diligent mobile-first projects. And I'll share best practices for A/B testing your mobile changes to continuously improve the user experience. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills to analyze any website from a mobile perspective and implement strategic optimizations that boost business metrics like conversion rates, time on site, and organic search visibility. I'm excited to guide you through this important subject, so let's get started on enhancing mobile UX.